Hey everyone, this is Fabian from Drum Lessons Bristol. Today I'm going to be looking at the main beat from Born Under a Bad Sign by Cream, one of my favourite tunes by one of my favourite bands. This is a really cool beat. I'm going to be looking at the main version with the 2 double kicks, and then later I'll also run through the alternatives for when he only plays 1 kick on the 4th beat, either the 1st or the 2nd. So let's start by having a listen to it a little bit more slowly. And then I'll look at that tricky section in the middle running into those double kicks. Okay, now let's have a listen to the alternative versions where he doesn't play the double kick both times. So sometimes on the 4th beat he'll play either only the 1st or the 2nd of those. So I'm going to play you all 3 of the alternatives. First of all, the normal version with the double kicks that we've already looked at, and then the versions where on the 4th beat you only play either the 1st or the 2nd of those 2 kicks. Okay, I hope that was helpful. Have fun learning this tune, it's absolutely amazing. Check out my other videos and don't forget to subscribe.